Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so if your screen rotation is not working, first thing that you should do is go to settings, then go to, not settings, slide down from the right top part of the screen to open quick settings. These settings I meant. Now you'll have this little button right here, which is screen rotation. Now it is locked, so when I rotate the screen, it won't rotate. I'll show you an example. I'm rotating it, nothing happens. You can see when I enable it back again, then it'll rotate. So yeah, if this didn't fix the issue, then you should diagnose whether your gyroscope is working. So to know whether your gyroscope is working, you can go to first settings, then security and privacy, then auto blocker and disable auto blocker. You can enable it later, but we'll need to disable it for a moment. Then go to phone app and type in *##0*##. Now you're in testing option. Go to sensor, then you'll have gyroscope right here and find graph. Now you can see I'm not moving the tablet, so the graph goes straight. Now if I start moving it, you can see it displays the graph of the movement. I'm gonna start wiggling it left and right first. You can see it works. I can start moving it up and down. It also works, and I can start rotating it and it will also work. So yeah, if it works in all the cases, then it's great. If it does not, then you should try fixing it with a few things. If it's just so you know later that like if it's working in the gyro section, then probably it's a software issue, and if it's not working in the gyro section, then most probably it's a hardware issue, which may require a fix from like an authorized service if you cannot do it. If all the steps that I'll show you in a moment don't work. So now we'll need to try restarting the tablet by pressing and holding on power and volume down, then tapping on restart and tapping on it again. And now let's wait a moment until the tablet restarts. Okay, now once it is restarted, let's unlock it, and now we're gonna try if it didn't help, and if you're sure that your auto rotation is on, then you should try booting into safe mode. Safe mode will disable most of the apps that you have, so they don't interfere with the system, and then like if it works in safe mode, then probably there's some sort of an app on your tablet that makes a problem, so you may need to either uninstall an app that you suspect may be the issue, for example a new app that you have downloaded, or just reset your tablet, but remember it'll erase all the data, but yeah, you can factory reset it. Now we're gonna try to boot into safe mode so I can show you how to do it. Press and hold on power and volume down until the screen shows up again, and then press and hold on power off on the screen, then tap on safe mode so it boots into the safe mode, and I'll get back to you shortly when it does. Okay, now I'm in the safe mode. You can see it displays it right here in the bottom left corner, and now you can try seeing if your rotation works. Ensure it's enabled, and then try rotating your tablet. You can see it works in my case. If it doesn't in your case, then it's probably that hardware issue or an update issue. We'll get to update later, but yeah, if it works here and doesn't work normally in the system, then it's, as I said, probably some app that causes interference. Now I'll slide down from the left top part of the screen, then tap on safe mode is on, then turn off, and let's wait a moment. It will exit out of the safe mode. Okay, now the last thing is, as I said, the update. You should go to settings, try going to software update, download and install. Okay, I don't have network because it has automatically enabled the flight mode in the safe mode. Now we can go to download and install, and if there is any update available, try installing it so it fixes some issues that you may have with your tablet. If there's no update available, you can wait until there is one rolled out, but most probably, if that's the case, if there's no update but the problem doesn't work, then you can search for the web and see if there's like a current problem right now about Samsung tablet not working or stuff like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.